Hey, so if you want to create professional looking designs in Canva but yours still feel a bit basic, yeah. Today I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to level up your designs in 2026. First, don't start from a blank page. Always begin with a professional template that already has good structure. Next, keep your layout clean. Avoid clutter and make sure your design has a clear visual flow from top to bottom. One big mistake is using too many fonts. Stick to 2 or 3 at most, one for headings, one for body text. Now choose a simple color palette and stick with it. Too many colors make designs look messy. Always use high-quality images. Blurry or stretched images instantly make your design look unprofessional. Good spacing is what separates beginner designs from professional ones. Use Canva's alignment tools to keep everything balanced. If you use effects like shadows or animations, keep them subtle. Overdoing effects makes designs look messy. Your text should be easy to read at a glance. Don't overload your design with long paragraphs. Before exporting, always preview your design. Check spacing, alignment, and readability. And yeah, that's how you create professional designs in Canva. Once you follow these basics, your work instantly looks cleaner and more polished.